In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Coursera with a university ID. Coursera is a fantastic platform filled with numerous online courses that you can access at any time. If your university offers access to these courses, logging in with your university ID is a straightforward process. Let's walk through the steps to ensure you're logged in and ready to start learning in no time. First, begin by opening Coursera in your preferred web browser. You can do this by typing in the URL www.coursera.org into the address bar and hitting enter. Once the page loads, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. There, you will see the login button. Go ahead and click on that button to proceed with the login process. As the login page opens, you'll notice several options for logging in. What you're going to want to do is find and select the option that reads Login with your organization or Login with your university. This option is specifically designed for users who have access through academic institutions. The next step is to enter your university email address. This is typically the email ending in .edu or your institution's specific domain. Once you've entered your email, click on Continue or Next to move forward. At this point, you'll be redirected to your university's login portal, meaning you're responsible for using your university credentials to sign in. In the university login portal, you will be prompted to enter your university ID and password. Make sure to have these details handy. If your university requires it, you may also need to complete a two-factor authentication step. This involves verifying your identity through a second method, such as a text message or an authentication app, to ensure that it's really you trying to log in. Once you've successfully logged in through your university's portal, you'll be redirected back to Coursera automatically. You now should have complete access to the courses provided through your university's partnership with Coursera. This is an excellent opportunity to explore specialized courses or certificates that are tailored by your institution, which you now have access to because your account is linked with your university ID. And there you have it. You're now logged into Coursera using your university ID. You can explore courses, enroll in new ones, and take advantage of the unique offerings provided by your institution. If you encounter any issues during the process, be sure to reach out to your university's IT support for further assistance. Thanks for joining me today, and happy learning.